Hello everybody. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a wall clinging enemy in GameMaker. If you've played the Metroid games, you will know these as the Zoomers. And in Super Mario World, they are the fire circle enemies which go around the platforms. And there are many other games as well. Hollow Knight and the Crystal Caverns shoot the lasers at you anyway. So let's hop into it. You don't have to worry about this. I'm gonna start by setting the horizontal speed and the vertical speed to zeros. And the falling, it's not gonna be falling right off the bat, but it might be. Because if it is falling, we're going to set the vertical speed to the falling speeds, and it's not going left or right, so don't worry with horizontal movement. And if it hits the ground, it's done falling, so you can go into the normal code over here. So what's going on here is so if it's going clockwise, clockwise, it can only go left when it's on the ground, so you always kind of know which way it's going based on whether it's going clockwise or counterclockwise. So you're going to set up these speeds. So these are angles in GameMaker mode, so 0 is right and 90 is up, which is, it's kind of strange. But if it's going to the right, it's always going to be that speed. And if it's going up, it's actually you would think if it's going up it would be a positive speed, but in GameMaker it's actually a negative speed, which is also kind of fucked up. But that's just kind of the way it is, as you can see in this diagram over here. So we're going to set the directions, and then you're going to call this function. And then this, because there might be one of these things here, so you want to make sure that there's no, you want to make sure that there's no funny business basically, and just copy down this code, and copy down this code. Check the collisions, and if it hits a roadblock, so if it hits a roadblock, you know which direction it's going in, you know which direction it has to go in, based on whether it's counterclockwise or clockwise, and the resets, all that kind of stuff. So that's basically it, and that's all I have to say about that.